Hello everyone, this is Enbon LED display. Today we will take you on a quick tour of several creative custom shade LED display solution from Enbon. First, let's look at this LED reception desk display. It features a combination of spherical surface and concentric rings, specially designed for indoor applications. This is the LED logo display. It uses customized outdoor small modules supporting P3 and P5. It can be freely assembled into various shapes, such as cycles, letters, and Chinese characters. Moving on to the inner display dome screen. The inner is a P1.5 hemisphere with a diameter of 1 meter. The exterior is a 2.5 concentric ring with an outer diameter of 1.3 meters and an inner diameter of 1 meter. The layers are distinct, creating a strong sense of space.